Hello traders, it's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is February the 2nd on a Friday, and was seeing a nice gap up in the markets, and then the jobs numbers came out, and lo and behold, we're back down to basically a flat. But let's take a look at some setups. Be careful, it is Friday, and it could be some volatile action, but let's dive in and take a look at some stocks that may be setting up. This GOOS had earnings yesterday. It has a huge float interest. I'll be watching this one for a potential squeeze. You can see I mentioned it yesterday, but I think if it gets above yesterday's high, you can watch this one for a possible squeeze there in GOOS. Donkey Kong has been just hovering up here on monthly highs. DKNG. So I would just put an alert. I had one in there. Looks like it's gone off, but stick your alert in there above yesterday's high, and we could see some action there. Let's see, PIPR, kind of an expensive stock, 183, not too bad, but it is gapping up off earnings, and you can see here it's gapping up to an all-time high. I've mentioned these kind of setups for a while now. These has the potential to be a gap and go. So one you want to keep on the radar, but be careful. Anytime you have an earnings play, it could be volatile. Let's see. Of course, Amazon and Meta. I'm actually in a little bit of Amazon. I've been holding for a while, but I'm going to see how they trade. IBM, interesting chart after earnings. Few days ago has pulled back, and now it's getting close to this 10-period moving average. So I'm going to be watching that one maybe for a drive down at that 10-period moving average. But the where you want to set the alert is subjective. I'm going to stick one in here, maybe close to a 5-day high there in IBM. OGN, last one I'll talk about here. I do like the way this is setting up. Very nice pattern right here for a breakout. This is, and not only that, if you go back, you'll see some areas over here where you have some resistance. So watch that OGN. That's it for the day. Keep it tight. Be careful, and we'll talk to you Monday. Bye-bye.